Cook 85 grams of unsalted butter with 100 grams of dark brown sugar. Be sure to stir it while cooking. Once it boils and thickens, turn off the heat and stir in 0.5 grams of cinnamon and 2 grams of vanilla extract. Pour the caramel into your baking pan. Jingle apple slices of 1 medium-sized Granny Smith apple into the caramel. I sliced the apples into 1/4-inch slices. Place the pan in the refrigerator while making your batter. Mix together 180 grams of all-purpose flour, 3 grams of salt, 6 grams of baking powder, 0.25 grams of cardamom, 0.6 grams of nutmeg, 3 grams of cinnamon, and set it aside. Cream together 113 grams of room temperature unsalted butter with 100 grams of granulated sugar and 100 grams of dark brown sugar until light and fluffy. Be sure to scrape your bowl for even mixing. Mix in 100 grams of room temperature whole eggs and 4 grams of vanilla extract. Mix until well combined. And again, don't forget to scrape your bowl. Mix in the dry ingredients until well combined. Stream in 90 grams of room temperature whole milk and mix until well combined. Lastly, fold in apple chunks from 1 medium-sized Granny Smith apple. I cut the chunks into 1/2-inch pieces. Spread the batter evenly into the baking pan. Bake at 350 degrees for about 45 to 48 minutes. Allow the cake to cool on a rack for about 10 to 15 minutes, then flip it over onto your serving platter. Be sure to flip the cake over while it is still warm to avoid it from sticking to the pan. Serve the cake warm with some homemade caramel sauce. Heaven. For homemade caramel sauce, link is in the description box below.